Hey guys, it's Justin Cas. And I'll show you all my teddy bears. It has only penny. I have 8 stuffed toys. So first, we had a small one. For this. It has toys. This is from the Enchanted Kingdom to the Laguna. And we have some field trip there, so I'll just buy this. This is 150 pesos in Laguna. So it's a star and it has a head. It has a cup and it's an old man, the, the king of the Enchanted Kingdom. And I have some picture of them, but that is from the camera. But the camera, the our camera is low, so the king has a glass, circle glass, and it cannot stretch. And it has a yeah, so it can stick to my forehead. Yeah, you can see. Ouch, sorry. So again, this is from Enchanted, the star. And second, we have this one. I bought this to 99 to the Baliwag. This is I have one, and it has a beautiful flag, and it has like my mother bought me this one, and even I just um my mother will bought that day. My mother will bought me a Barbie doll, but she found I found this stuff toy, so I just told to my mom, and she bought me this, so it can undress first this one and the other one. Oh my. Okay, so pwede, it um can also wash this his this is her dress, and she is now he has a jacket and a stocking and a yellow shoes. So I'm gonna dress her again. So you can some style her hair, yeah, and I just lost her ponytail, so I can and I have no more Sanrio, so I cannot ponytail her hair. Okay, or and she is dressed again, so I'm gonna arrange her hair. Yeah. But this 99 and this one Enchanted Kingdom. So and I have this pink stuffed toy. This gift this is a gift of my auntie. And when I am 7th birthday, and this is from a Blue Magic. A Blue Magic. So this is it. Okay. Later I will tell you the name of my stuff. And we had a twin stuffed toy. I have a twin stuffed toy, and this is also a gift of my uncle when I am also 7th birthday. This is the SM Baliwag. This a twin stuffed toy. I don't know because I told to my uncle that bought me a Mariposa Barbie, a Barbie Mariposa. And he told me that that is so expensive. So he told, I, he says he has, there is no stock of the Mariposa. And he will buy this one, a twin. And I told him that, oh, this gift is okay to me because it is cute. And I have this one, a color pink stuffed toy. This gift to my mom, but my mom gave me this. So, and it has a heart shape to the center, and it says love, Love, love. And she has a cup, what a cup, and this is her ears. These cute ones. And this one, this is a gift of my dad. This is bought from um the other country. This from Kuwait, yeah, and he is dressed also, and he has a pocket here, a small pocket, and this a big ones, medium size, and I have, ouch, this one, my favorite pink. This is bought from Baliwag also, and my mom bought me this one when I just bought a Barbie doll, a small Barbie doll, and it just gone and lost. I broke. No, it broke. It just broke, and the other is lost. So this is, and it has a necklace, but I don't know how to organize this. So this just like that when she has this necklace. So it has a boss. So this my favorite color, pink. So it has other colors. It can be a blue, yellow, and violet. So I just choose this color pink because I love it. So now the name of this is King. King because he is the king of the Enchanted Kingdom. And it has more stuffed toys in the Enchanted Kingdom, but it's so expensive, so we just not bought it. So this only 150, and the big ones is 1,000 plus. So it's so very expensive. So we didn't buy it. And the keychain, the small keychains there is 50 pesos. So I did not bought my classmates for that keychain because they told me that I will just give them a keychain, but that's so expensive, and we have uh, we have 24 and it's 50. Siguro aabot ng 1,000 pesos plus yun. So I didn't buy it. And this the king. This name is King, and this name is Princess. Name is Princess. Yeah, Princess. And my twin, this is Angel. No, this Angel, Angel has a ribbon. yeah. So this is Angel. She has a ribbon and a flower. And this is Jessica. Have no ribbon. This Angel has a ribbon. And Jessica has no ribbon. And this one is, what's the name of this one? Jenny. Yeah, Jenny. Jenny. And this is Lovely. Yeah, Lovely. She's lovely. I-upload mo na naman yun. His name is Lovely because she has a heart and she is beautiful, so lovely. And, and this one is Cutie because she's cute. Cutie. And this is a boy one, so I don't know. Prince. So this is the king and this is the prince. So I think that one is pretty much. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.